So my wish for this workshop was that the students or the visitors walked away having learned something new. And I'm pretty sure we did that. So.
My goal is that students attending my school receive an excellent training.
Super ausgebildete herauskommen.
The entire event was organized very professionally. Although it was held for the first time, I was very surprised that so many people attended it. We are very grateful to everyone who came and watched our workshop. The most important thing is to understand that there is no other option but to learn, keep up with the times, and use the tools that are available for you already now.
See all the other teachers too. It's a great chance for everybody, for the visitors, for the teachers and instructors too. It's a great time to be here. Yes.
It was unbelievable. I showed to the visitors how to set bezel setting with the princess cut stone. Yeah, it was amazing. Learn from the best.
There were a lot of people, which was great. I could feel that the interest was high. It's clear that some really keen craftspeople came here, people who are really into engraving and inlaying. The event was magnificent. Simply incredible. I really enjoyed the workshop. I also really liked the excellent organization of the event. Thank you all for a great time.
Wow, yes, it's one of the most inspiring seminars I've been here in the past few months.
I thought it's a very good way to progress if you,
And the opportunity to see those things and see different ways that people approach different setting techniques is really wonderful. So the event as a whole has been a joy.